Wall Street just crowned a new king today, and it's not who you'd expect. The Dow Jones Industrial Average just smashed through to a brand new all-time closing high, and the reason behind it might change how you think about this entire rally. Let's break down the scoreboard. The Dow led the charge, climbing over 0.5% to close at 50,285. Yes, you heard that right. 50,000, record territory. The S&P 500 nudged higher by about 0.2%, landing at 7,445. And the Nasdaq barely moved, up less than 0.1% at 26,293. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury Yield ticked up to 4.59%. That's a notable jump. Keep that number in your head, it matters. So what's really going on here? Two massive forces collided today. On one side, you've got falling oil prices acting like a tailwind for the old guard Dow stocks. Cheaper energy means lower costs for industrials, for transports, for basically every company that moves physical things. That's classic Dow territory, and the market loved it. But here's the kicker. On the other side, Walmart got absolutely crushed, down over 7% in a single session. One of the biggest retailers on the planet warned that profit margins are getting squeezed. Higher fuel costs on the logistics side. Consumers pulling back. This is a trillion-dollar company flashing a warning signal about the actual health of the American consumer. And with unemployment sitting at 4.3%, that narrative deserves your attention. Now let's talk about the AI story, because it's evolving fast. Amazon stepped up as a leader in AI-related stocks today, even as Nvidia pulled back. That's a rotation worth watching. The market is starting to pick winners beyond just the chip makers. It's looking at who's actually deploying AI at scale. And speaking of scale, the speculation around SpaceX and OpenAI is getting wild. Prediction markets are now pricing these companies at valuations that would leapfrog Berkshire Hathaway on day one of trading. We're talking north of $1.4 trillion. That's not a typo. Meanwhile, traders are also buzzing about whether Elon Musk might eventually merge SpaceX with Tesla. That's still speculative, but options activity in quantum and legacy tech plays is absolutely exploding. One stock saw nearly 200,000 contracts trade in a single day. That is 15 times the normal volume. Think about it. The market sentiment sits at 58 out of 100. That's greed, but not euphoria. The yield curve is normal. No recession signal there. And there are no major economic events on the calendar for the next 3 days. That means this market is coasting on momentum and narrative right now. So what's the bottom line? The Dow is partying at all-time highs thanks to falling oil. But underneath the surface, the consumer is cracking, yields are creeping higher, and the AI trade is quietly reshuffling its deck chairs. This is not a market you can afford to sleep on. If this breakdown helped you see what Wall Street doesn't want you to miss, smash that subscribe button so you never fall behind.